Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. Let me jump to the daily. So still up day, down close. You can see gap up, filling the gap easily. Let me go back to the 4 hour, finding support at our cluster from yesterday, 1,337 area. Gapping just above there. That's 1395, 1400, pretty key area. What I'm going to do right now, since we got a pausing bar on the 4 hour, I'm going to move this up. So you still remember we have a cluster at 1450. I'm going to give us an idea of the next levels, the next minor and major levels. First, for any pullback, let me get everything done. All right, so now we got a really nice support ledge at 1293. So 1293 to 1300. Right below that's the rotation zone. So that's your key area right in here for support. If we do drop below that, I'll be watching the low for some minor support, 1266.56. If we get below that, especially on a 4 hour closing basis, we'll be in the rotation zone. Then I'll start watching for the gap fill all the way down to 1208.34. Remember, this is very overextended and very overbought, but that does not mean it can't keep going up. Your major support then is a 25% retracement with the bottom of the rotation zone coming in about 1160. Take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart, you can see also how overbought it is, how extended it is from the rotation zone. On a daily basis, we'd really be watching for this gap fill first. If it did spike below that, about 1200 is where the daily rotation zone is. So that's a key level on the daily. If we did fill the gap, I'd watch especially for a spike to about 1200. And since it's a nice round number, that's a really good target that a lot of people will be looking at. Rotation zone bottom is all the way back at 1063. Now let's take a look at these updated levels. All right, so remember we had that 1450 area, which I already moved. Then we're at 1493.50, so essentially 1500. Then we have a major cluster right around 1563. 1562.63 is a major cluster, and then 1697, so 1700. Those are all your key levels should it continue to keep going up. I will start watching for a potential short-term top coming in, especially if we get a close below today's low, because this, again, very overextended. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.